All right, this is a tutorial on how to lift the arm using the correct muscles for Latin dance, especially bachata and salsa. So if you're going to use your right arm, the first thing you want to do is engage the back muscle, lats, rhomboids. You're going to be using all of your back to lift the arm. So when you lift the arm, you engage the back right under the shoulder blade. You're going to pull in, which is going to lift the chest, dropping the shoulder down. And you're going to lift the arm up from the back. Bend the elbow. Bring the elbow across the face. And then extend, thinking of a line from shoulder, elbow, wrist, and fingers. And at the very end, you should feel the engagement surrounding the shoulder blade here. Okay, so you should feel your back muscle when you're using your arms. So if I do it more in one step, I lift first thing, engage the back. Automatically lifts the chest. Then you're gonna lift from the back, pull the arm all the way up. Make sure that the shoulder is down. Okay, and your back is engaged. Bending at the elbow, bring it across, framing the face, even touching the side of your face with the middle finger. And then you're going to extend from the shoulder, and it starts really from the back first. Just follow the line of the shoulder, the elbow, wrist, and then the fingers should be like a laser beam. Each finger has its place. The thumb, the pointer finger is like an L. The middle finger should fan upward, almost like if you were showing your ring off or a laser beam. So if I lift the arm continuously, it's lift, and then I would add shaping with the torso, and then shaping with the arm. Okay, I'll do the other side using all the same technique. Always feel the back muscle engage first. Lift from the back. That's going to keep the shoulder down. Bend the elbow. Frame the face. And then extend from back, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, and make sure that you don't flatten the wrist. Keep that fanning of the fingers. When you lower the arm, you bend at the elbow, wrist, fingers, and always think of that you're using resistance in the arms when you lift, like if you were pushing against water. If you're pushing against something as you lift, and then you would contract, bringing the movement inward and extend outward. So you're gonna also use, besides the arms, you're gonna use the rib cage, which is started from the back muscle, is the back controls the rib, okay? So that's how you start to practice your arm styling. So this is the arm movement with the music, how you could practice it. So we would go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Both arms. Up, down, and out. And you can even add wiggle to it.
las señales que me mandaste.